Hi. Different setting today because I want to do a different type of a video. So instead of giving you a proper lesson today, I just kind of want to have a chat, right? Because it's kind of been brought to my attention by a couple of questions I've had and a couple of comments that there is an issue um, with overcomplicating this process of manifestation. Because the fact is, you've been manifesting all of your life. Like every moment of every day, you're always manifesting. Before you ever heard of the term of reality creation or manifestation, it's just something that you've been doing. So when we learned that, hey, I get to control my life, I get to control how I feel about things, then I personally, let's just talk about me, right? I had to go deep diving into everything. Like I went into neuroscience, psychology, um, cognitive psychology, behavioral psychology, positive psychology, obviously, quantum mechanics, all of that. I did such deep dives that I overcomplicated a very normal and natural process. And I know that, I've done that on this channel as well. Yeah, so if you were with me like right from the beginning, you'd have seen an awful lot of quantum mechanics videos, but I think I kind of deleted or hid those or whatever. So there might not be so many of those now. But all the neuroscience ones are definitely still there. And the psychology, like the behavioral, the 5 drivers of behavior and all of that, that's obviously all still up. And I talk about that frequently. But the truth is that you don't need any of that. You don't need to understand any of that. And I think that maybe by me talking about all of that, that's complicated things for you. Yeah. Like the reason that we like to overcomplicate things generally is a form of control. Yeah. We want to understand the like nth degree of everything so we can try and control it. So we feel like we have control over it. But that's also part of the problem, right? Because as long as we understand the story that we're telling and that we stop telling the story of what our current life experience is, and we just tell the story of the the life that we choose to experience, that's what manifests. Yeah, that's what manifests. It's that whole saying, right? If you say you can or you say you can't, you're right. And that's the whole thing. So, like all the spiritual science that I talk about as well, you don't really need to know any of that either. Like, I realize that I might have overcomplicated things for you by introducing you to all of this extra knowledge, all this extra information. So I just want to really simplify it. You don't need any of that. The only thing you need to know is who you choose to be, who you know yourself to be, right? Because who you know yourself to be, that's what manifests. And obviously, like the ultimate identity that you have is that of the I am, of source, yeah, of being um, the human manifestation of all-knowing, omnipresent God, omnipresent consciousness. Yeah. So it's only where you place your consciousness, it's only the perception of life that you have internally that really manifests. So as long as you can hold that story of this is who I am, this is who I choose to be, this is who Janet on the planet is, you don't actually need to do any deep dives into anything at all. So I apologize if I added to anybody's confusion with all of that. See, what really brought it to me was one of my, regular viewers who, we chat in the comments regularly. She said on a comment the other day, oh, I never realized how important the story that I was telling myself was. And I was like, oh, wow, that's like the only important thing. So if you've been watching all these videos and you have only just understood that, then there's something amiss with my videos, right? Like I have taken you down a path that you probably didn't need to go down. The only thing you need to do is to tell yourself the story of the life that you want to live. Yeah. And I know, and it is interesting, don't get me wrong, like all the various sciences, the scientific backing of all of this is interesting, but it's not necessary. It is not necessary for you to know any of it. The only thing you need to know is who you are. And who you are is the creator of your universe. Who you are is the creator of your experience of life. So what do you want to experience, Like, you will always be proven right, depending on what you actually believe to be true. Like I say, your subconscious belief is what manifests. Your subconscious belief is what manifests. So just know that you are that kick-ass entrepreneur. Yeah. You know that you are that incredible human. Know that manifestation is easy and natural and normal and simple. And that's all you need to know. Yeah. And we do overcomplicate things. But like I say, that overcomplication is actually standing in an awful lot of people's way. And it's definitely stood in my way. Yeah. So I just want to bring you back to the fundamental truth that you are the creator of your world. You are the creator of your experience of the world. What you know in your brain, what you keep telling yourself to be true, is what is true for you. And that's kind of the whole story. Yeah. It really is. It is interesting. It is interesting to go back and go, wow, so this is where that belief came from. That's cool. Isn't that interesting that I learned that spending money is not a great thing for me to be doing. Spending money is scary, blah, 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 right? It is quite interesting to see all of that, but it's not necessary. It's not necessary to know where all of these beliefs came from. The only thing that's necessary is to tell yourself the belief that you want to be true. Just keep repeating that. And I know, and it sounds too simple. I know it sounds too simple. And for intelligent people, who are the majority of people that I work for, are really, really smart people, we overcomplicate things. And part of that overcomplication, right, is to kind of prove how smart we are, right? When I do deep dives on myself, it's like, oh yeah, no, are you just trying to prove how smart you are? You don't need to do that. You've got first-class bachelor's degree, you've got distinctions in a master's, you've proven you're pretty smart. Why are you keeping doing that? What are you trying to prove? Who are you trying to prove it to? Who are you trying to convince by overcomplicating all this stuff? It doesn't need to be hard. So if you need it, this is your permission slip to just let it be easy. Just tell yourself the story of the life that you want to be living and let it be easy. Let it be easy. Yeah. I've got to give a shout out to all the people that came to the workshop. So I'm recording this on Sunday. It's going out on Monday. You'll be seeing it on Monday. But yeah, I adore these workshops. I really do. I get the most brilliant people come to them with fantastic questions. And actually, this is part of this as well, right? So Emily said, "Oh God, but it is so simple. I'm just trying to wrap my head around how simple it is." And I was like, yes, that is it. Like, if you can just wrap your head around the fact that it is so simple, that will make life easier for you. Yeah. So shout out to Jamila and Jamika and Carlton and Jennifer and Alden and Emily and Tori and all the other people that came. Sorry, I can't mention you all, but know that I love you all. And yeah, thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for hearing this. Please, please, please try to implement it somehow. Like when you start overcomplicating things, say, no, nope, I allow this to be easy. I allow it to be easy. Yeah, no, this is easy. This is easy. I can do this. This is easy. Yeah, even if you just start with that, then you're going to find that things become easier, right? The story that you tell yourself is what manifests. So let it be easy. Tell yourself manifestation is a natural process for you. You always do it really quickly. There is no struggle involved. There is no struggle involved in manifestation. It's just knowing who you are. It's just knowing who you choose to be. It's knowing the thoughts that you're telling yourself and tell yourself the thoughts that you want to be seeing. Yeah. Think of it this way, like every thought you have is writing the script of the life that you choose to experience. That's all. That's all you need. That's all you need. You don't really need all the neuroscience and behavioral science and quantum mechanics and all of that. Do you? I mean, like I didn't need to know how this computer works in order to use a computer. I mean, obviously I've got a computer science degree, so I kind of know, but it's out of date now anyway. Computer science moves so fast. A car, right? You don't need to know the exact workings of the car in order to drive it. Yeah, you don't need that. You don't need to be a world-class mechanic in order to drive your car. You just need to know that you get in, you put your key in, or probably you don't even do that these days. You just press a button or whatever. I had a car that I just pressed a button and it turned on. Anyway, I digress. But just let it be easy. You don't need any of the complicated stuff. You don't need to know why you're in the situation that you are in. You just need to know where you want to go, right? You just need to know where you want to go. Yeah. And then you tell yourself that that's where you are and you feel yourself there. You know yourself to be there. You know yourself to be the version of you that has that life. That is it. That's as simple as it is. And it is, because I know that I've said in a previous video that it's not always easy to do that. It's not always easy to catch your thoughts and stuff. But the more you practice it, the easier it is, right? The more you practice knowing how you're feeling and knowing whether you're in or out of alignment, knowing what you're thinking and knowing whether those thoughts are in or out of alignment with the life that you choose to have, it gets easier and easier and easier. Yeah, so just just be aware. Just be aware of all that you are. Because again, that's all manifestation is, right? It's just awareness. That's all consciousness is. It's just awareness. It's just expanding. It's expanding your awareness of all that you are. Expanding your awareness of the fact that you are the creator, and you get to choose, and your word is the final word. Yeah, there is no higher authority than you in your life, right? You get to have it. You get to do it. You get to choose. You get to do it all. So, I don't know. I think moving forwards, I'm gonna stop being the smart ass. and I'm just gonna keep reminding you that this is easy. This is easy, that you can do it, right? Because that's really all you need to know. That's really all you need to know. That it is easy, that you can do it, that you're overcomplicating things. Stop doing that. If you stop overcomplicating things, if you stop trying to prove to yourself that it works, because in that, trying to prove to yourself that it works, there is an inherent assumption that it doesn't work, right? So if you stop trying to do that and just allow it to work, because it is easy, it is normal, it is natural. Yeah. So I think that's it. That's it for today. And this is going to be an unedited video, which is also kind of cool. Yeah. I am going to open a membership, and it's just going to be for Q&A. Just Q&A. It's going to be super cheap. Yeah, like $15 US a month, or $20 US a month for Canadian, right? 20 Canadian dollars. YouTube are going to get 30% of that. If you pay through Apple, then they take around 20% of that as well. So I only get half of that. But anyway, I'm being offered $1,000 for opening a membership. Who am I to say no to $1,000, right? If you join, I would love you to join, because I do want to get to know you more. You know, that's part of why I love these workshops, because I get to know you, and I love getting to know you. You're all awesome. Honestly, like, everybody who's been to a workshop has just been so gorgeous, such a lovely human, and I feel very proud of that. I feel very proud that the people who watch this channel, that means you, are just phenomenal people. And yeah, I adore you for that. So yeah, I'm going to open that soon. Keeping an eye out for it. Like I say, I would love you to join. It's going to be a live Q&A, at least one a month. I might, yeah, I don't know. There might be, you know, sort of like prompts or whatever in the chat. I've got so much material that I could give you, so I'm probably just going to dump it all in there. Like, there's whole courses that I've created and then didn't really do anything with, so I might just put all of those in as well. Yeah, because that would be fun, wouldn't it? Alrighty, so we're just about in a new month. Make this month the month that you decide that it is easy, that your life is easy, that you don't need to struggle, you don't need to prove anything to anybody. Yeah. Let's do this thing, okay? Take care. Bye.